Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is unlocked and you can access settings. This avoids interruptions. Make sure any important data tied to the Microsoft account is backed up or synced, because removing the account can stop sync. Now open Settings, then tap Accounts or Users depending on your Android version. Once there, locate the Microsoft or Outlook account entry. Do not tap other accounts. This first step gets you into the right menu to remove the account safely. Once you see the Microsoft account entry, tap it to reveal sync settings and account details. This is where you'll trigger removal. Tap the three-dot menu or Remove Account button, then choose Remove or Delete Account. Make sure to read prompts. Android may warn about losing contacts or mail. Confirm you backed those up. If your device requires authentication, enter your PIN, pattern, or password to authorize the removal. Make sure the operation completes before leaving. After removal, restart your device to clear any lingering sync or app processes. This makes sure nothing is still tied to the account. If you changed your mind, you can re-add the Microsoft account via Settings Accounts, Add Account, and follow sign-in prompts. If the removal failed, check Settings Security Device Admin Apps and disable admin rights for Outlook or Intune, then try again. If you still see issues, sign out of Microsoft apps directly and retry the account removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.